toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. All day been in my mind for days. Wish I could get away. You know it isn't safe for me to be in this headspace. Drunk and I miss you unless I'm just drunk. Told me to swim, then you watched as I sunk. I can't forgive you, no I'm not that dumb. Paranoid, I gotta run. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Once upon a time I used to hold you close. Now the only thing I'm holding is a broken soul. Knock me down and I'm still falling like some dominoes. Oh no, I'm trapped, I can't get out. Back to the basics, you crazy as hell, and I can't bring myself to say I wish you well. Tryna be tough in a world that's ablaze. You told me that you would stay. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Why, oh why you lie every time I die a little inside. I'm like bye, baby, baby, bye, bye. Gotta move on with my life, well at least I'm gonna try. Don't you hear me in the night, cause I'm probably home crying. Don't you know that I'm still trapped in my mind. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Can't breathe in toxic skies. Pollute me with your lies. Yeah, I thought that I'd die.
So young, some would say that we were innocent, but all we knew is the time we spent was fun. We were naive. Some would say we never had a clue, but all we did was hide and start to weave a relationship that we would never leave. The evolution of our love, as it changes for the better, we see that it is ever evolution. As we grow, we end up being more in tune, and that is how we know it's evolution. The changes that our lives would bring, because we stay together, we stay strong, and we moved ahead. Past the twists and turns of this long road, we always kept our eyes on where it led. And everybody's doubts were all instead. The evolution it changes for the better, we see that it is ever evolution. As we grow, we end up being more in tune, and that is how we know it's evolution. Now we are three. We were blessed to have a child from God, who every day's the one who helps us see. Now we arrived at a place we always hoped we would, where every day means more than just survive. We know what it means to be alive. The evolution of our life. As it changes for the better, we see that it is ever evolution. As we grow, we end up being more in tune, and that is how we know it's evolution. We were so young. Some would say that we were innocent, but all we knew was the time we spent was fun. We were naive. Some would say we never had a clue, but all we did was hide and start to weave a relationship that we would never leave. The evolution of our love. As it changes for the better, we see that it is ever evolution. As we grow, we end up being more in tune, and that is how we know it's evolution. As we move along, through the changes that our lives would bring, because we stay together, we stay strong, and we moved ahead. Past the twists and turns of this long road, we always kept our eyes on where it led. And everybody's doubts were wrong instead. The evolution of our love. As it changes for the better, we see that it is ever evolution. As we grow, we end up being more in tune, and that is how we know it's evolution. Now we are three. We were blessed to have a child from God, who every day is the one who helps us see. Now we arrived at a place we always hoped we would, where every day